Hi everyone, this is Kathleen and today I'm going to show you how I did these amber nails. I started by applying one coat of white gel polish, curing it, and wiping off the tacky layer. I'll be using Tim Holtz alcohol inks by Ranger. This one is butterscotch. The next one is caramel. And the last is ginger. And here I have a makeup sponge. I've already ripped off a few small pieces. This is going to be used for applying the alcohol inks, and I'm going to use my pinching tool, but you can also use tweezers. And so I'm applying the first layer, which is going to be butterscotch, and this comes out pretty yellow. And you just dab it on the nail. I'm going to cover up the majority of the white and let it dry. You'll see it dries very quickly. And now I'm going over it again with the same color, and you can see how it spreads out and it overlaps. It's already starting to look like a granite marble design. And now I'm taking another piece of the sponge and I'm applying the color ginger. This one is my favorite. It has a little bit of a reddish tone to it. And now I'm going over it again. Now alcohol inks react with isopropyl alcohol, which is also rubbing alcohol. So here I'm just going to show you what happens when you spray it. You can also use another sponge to dab it. It spreads out, but this is what you don't want to do. You don't want to over spray because then it just becomes a jumbled mess. But I'm just going to go back over it with ginger after it dries. And now I'm adding caramel, which is a brown color. And you see each color seems to have a different effect, but you just play with it until you get the look that you're looking for. Now I'm going back over one more time with ginger, and I just love the way this color turns out. So I'd like for this to have a little more of an orangey tone to it, so I'm taking my gel top coat and I'm going to drop in 1 drop of ginger. Mix it together, and I'm going to use a paintbrush to paint it right on the nail. So you see how it just gives it a nice orangey tone? Makes it look a little more realistic. So I've cured it, and now I'm just adding one more layer of top coat. Cure that and you're all done. Here are 2 more that I've done. The left is just a blue color and the right is the butterscotch. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.